Hello everyone, my name is Doskaliyeva Shynar. I am a first year student at the Faculty of Engineering and Natural Sciences, Department of Mathematics at SDU University. At the moment I am participating in the Beta Career Program and doing my internship at the First Credit Bureau as a data scientist. The project I will be working on during the Beta Career Program is related to IFRS 9 for financial organization. In the first 2 weeks, I focused on learning what IFRS 9 is, getting familiar with the standard and going through a lot of literature and research articles connected to the topic. Of course, IFRS 9 is a very broad topic that needs much more time to explore in detail, but for now, let's go through it briefly. So, what is IFRS 9 is? IFRS 9 is a standard used by financial institutions to classify and measure financial instruments. It replaced IAS 39 in 2018. The main goal of this standard is to make financial reporting more transparent and forward-looking. Unlike the previous standard, which recognized credit loss only when the money was already lost, IFRS 9 recognizes losses much earlier as soon as there is a sign of risk. The standard consists of 3 main blocks: classification and measurement, impairment, and hedge accounting. I will be working with the impairment part of the standard and more specifically with the expected credit loss model. The difference between IFRS 9 and the IAS 39 is that IFRS 9 uses the expected credit loss model, while the previous standard uses the incurred loss model. To calculate ACL, we first need to build models that estimate two things: probability of default, or just PD, and loss given default, or just LGD. Only after we have these models, we can calculate the expected credit loss using the formula ACL equal to PD multiply LGD multiply ARD. Another important feature of IFRS 9 is that expected credit loss is divided into 3 stages. Stage 1, 1-year ACL. Stage 2, lifetime ACL, when risk has increased. Stage 3, loans that are already impairment. Since IFRS 9 is connected to finance and the finance is strongly linked to the economy, the standard also requires using macroeconomic scenarios. This means that when we calculate ACL, we need to make into account 3 different scenarios: Bayesian scenario, optimistic scenario, and pessimistic scenario. Each scenario gives a different value of ACL, and the final result is calculated as a weighted average. Here you can see example. This approach makes the model more realistic because it reflects how changes in the economy affect financial risk. So, to conclude, IFRS 9 is not just about accounting, it is about predicting risk, preparing in advance, and making financial reporting more reliable and transparent. These resources I used to study IFRS 9. With this, I will finish my first report and I will see you again after 2 weeks. Bye!